Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up US? How y'all doing? I'm here today to install a rough country exhaust for my Jeep Wrangler 2011 today. Pretty much this is the first time I'm going to do this, and this is the exhaust right here. That's it right here, and the accessories that comes with it. I have the lid here. All right, so in short, what I'm gonna do now is, I hate watching long videos. Now I don't do that, so I'm just trying to walk you through, just get this done right quick. I'm the only person here. For I installed a new one, what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna crank the truck. All right, so you hear the before sound and then the after sound too. All right. So that was the before sound. Now let's get to work. Show you the tools I'm gonna use. I have 5/8 socket, and then extension, and then the ratchet. All right, so this is how we're gonna do down here. All right, so pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bolt, you loosen this bolt, and then you take this bracket from here. I don't know if you can see that. There's one here and another one here too. All right, so finally the exhaust is out. One is out. So it took me a hell of a time. Yeah, so now I'm about to install the new one. All right, I'm about to install the new one on there. So just like the old one came out, you need to make sure you have the ring on it. Like I said, make sure you have those gloves too, because your knuckles will be busting the trap and some other stuff, so you don't get hurt more. All right, so you get it, you put the ring on, you insert it, and then you put the knuckles or the hangers on, and then you tighten it back. All right, viewers, so now I got it set on. All right, so you see this side, what I used the strategy I used a little bit of soap, washing detergent, sort of a way of lubricating it, make it go in smoothly. All right, so now all I have to do is I got to put this back on and then tighten it. Make sure I have to push it to the end. All right, and then I tighten it down. All right, so now everything is set. So I bought extra clamp to hold it tight to prevent the air from leaking. I also use a little bit of sealant, exhaust sealant here, just to hold it more tight. All right, so everything is clean down here, nice and tight. All right, so as you can see, it's sitting on it now. It's fit, tight. So I'm about to put the edges on, the tips. All right, this is that. So about to be fit on. Do something like that. Push all the way down. Just give it a little yank. There you go. Tighten this, the bolt. So now I'm about to start the truck and see how it's gonna sound. Right here.